Hello, in front of me I've got Subaru Levorg. In this video I'll show you safety systems and how to turn them on or off. Firstly, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. From the steering wheel, right here we can simply enable or disable blind spot alert, traction control, and you can reset TPMS. Right here in the center of the car, on the steering wheel, you can enable active cruise control with changeable distance from the following driver. Also, thanks to those buttons, you can change SI drive mode. Next, take a look in the center of the car. This car is equipped with automatic CVT gearbox, with parking brake, start-stop function and auto vehicle hold. Now, take a look at the roof of the car. Right here, you can enable lane sense and forward collision warning simply by pressing those buttons. This car is also equipped with 7 airbags, ISOFIX and more. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.